everyone, I'm Chef Patty and welcome to our AvMed Health Cooking Demo. And today we're making one of my favorite recipes. We're making a cabbage salad. So here's the deal with cabbage. It is an exceptionally healthy food. It has an outstanding nutrient profile and it's especially high in vitamin C and vitamin K. And I happen to love crunchy salads. So it just seemed like a right fit for me to share this recipe with you. Plus it comes together in like 2 seconds. So let's get started. I am definitely using purple cabbage because I love color. So not only are we gonna use green cabbage, but we're using purple cabbage. And instead of just shredding it, I shredded it and then I chopped it because I love having like bite-sized food. So we've got the purple cabbage. I'm gonna add the green cabbage right here. A little bit of both. So there's about 1.5 cups of chopped cabbage of each. So like a total of 3 cups of cabbage. Then I've got about 1/2 cup, about 1/3 cup of shredded carrots. Again, I shredded it. This is gonna be like, chopped. This is a chopped salad, but if you wanna shred it, you can. Then we're gonna add some diced pineapple. Some green onions, yum. And then I'm gonna get an avocado. I'm gonna just give it a quick little dice. And I'm dicing it just because I want everything bite-sized in the salad, but if you wanna slice it, you can. That's up to you. And if you want to maybe grill some shrimp or you want to add some chicken, you can even add some steak on top of this and it would be amazing. So I've got my avocado. I'm going to give it a little stir. So can you see the colors here? We've got the purple, the orange, the green, the yellow from the pineapple. I love this. Now I'm going to make a really quick vinaigrette. So if I was making a slaw, I would probably make like a mayo-based dressing, but I'm not doing that. This is gonna be like healthier. I'm making a vinaigrette with apple cider vinegar. A little Dijon mustard just to give it a pop. I would say maybe about a teaspoon, not much. Honey to balance it. A little honey, some lime juice, and if you want to use lemon because you don't have lime, you can even use orange juice if you wanted to. And then crushed red pepper, olive oil, and I want to grab a little salt. Right here, just a little. Give it a whisk. Love this. It's light, it's healthy, it's bright, and there's so much flavor. Now I'm just pouring the vinaigrette over our cabbage salad. And this is one of those salads that the longer it sits in the fridge, the better it'll taste. Now I'm gonna give it a toss. And we are done, friends. Look at this. Told you it would come together in no time. It's crunchy. Oh, it's so good. Can't wait to dig in. So if you have guests coming over, you can make this maybe about an hour or 2 ahead of time, pop it in the fridge. And like I mentioned before, if you maybe want to, if you're having a cookout and you want to grill protein, you can just make your salad and then top it with any kind of protein that you wish. Or another thing that you can do, because this is so versatile, that maybe you want to make, I do this a lot when I make salmon wraps, salmon lettuce wraps. So I'll have my lettuce leaves, then I'll top it with cooked salmon and then add the crunchy salad on top, and it is amazing. So anyways, I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Enjoy it, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Ciao.